I am really grateful to the administration of the ICBA. They have invited us to avail this opportunity to visit this institute, their hard struggle. I am also grateful to Mr. Nawaz Shangla, our Vice Chairman, Mr. Faisal Salim, who have made this visit possible. I am deeply impressed to see the institution. This is just an effort to be followed by every underdeveloped country, and particularly the people, the countries, the farmers having potential, but due to one or other reason, they cannot. I hope our visit and this MOU signed today is likely to become a binding force for all the farmers, the agriculture department, and other stakeholders in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa.
This is a very good project. We are starting with the collaboration of ICBA. The most important thing for every organization is the leadership. And I appreciate that Dr. Ismahani is doing very well. ICBA is contributing to the humanity. And I must appreciate the Board of Investment and Trade Chairman, Mr. Salim Rahman, and his team, the ICBA team, the scientists who visited us last month, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and they also appreciated the Billion Tree Tsunami project which the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government initiated.